Hey guys, we have 12 divided by 3 plus 4 times 2. 12 divided by 3 equals 4 plus 4 times 2, right? Now 4 plus 4 equals 8, right? Times 2. And 8 times 2 equals 16, right? But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Multiplication and division have equal priority. We must go left to right. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses first, right? Exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction after multiplication and division. Now let's solve it correctly. Follow the order of operations, right? Okay. 12 divided by 3 equals 4, right? Plus 4 times 2. Now multiply first, right? 4 plus 4 times 2 equals 8. Now 4 plus 8 equals 12.